Have you ever driven past a speed camera and immediately checked your speed? That tiny box by the side of the road somehow knows exactly how fast you're going, even in just a split second. So how does it do that? Is there really someone inside watching you? Or is it some kind of invisible trap? Let's find out. Most speed cameras work using radar. Yes, the same basic idea used in airplanes and air traffic control. Instead of tracking aircraft in the sky, it tracks your car on the road. It sends out radio waves, waits for them to bounce back, and uses those reflections to calculate your speed. But the real magic comes from something called the Doppler effect. You've probably heard the Doppler effect before, even if you didn't know its name. Imagine an ambulance driving past you. As it comes closer, the siren sounds higher. As it moves away, the sound drops lower. Why? Because motion changes the sound waves reaching your ears. That same idea works with radio waves. When a car moves toward or away from a speed camera, it changes the wavelength of the reflected waves. That change is called the Doppler effect, and that's how the camera measures speed. The radio waves used by speed cameras are extremely short. They're called microwaves. They're only about a centimeter long, and they travel at the speed of light. These waves are perfect for detecting fast-moving vehicles. Let's break down exactly how it works. Step 1. Transmission. Inside the speed camera is a radar unit. It sends out a beam of microwaves that spreads across the road like an invisible fan. As your car passes through that beam, the waves reach your vehicle in less than a microsecond. That's less than 1/1,000,000th of a second. Basically, almost instantly. Step 2. Reflection. The microwaves hit your car's metal body and bounce back, just like light reflecting from a mirror. Because your car has curves and angles, those waves scatter in different directions, but some of them return to the camera. And here's the important part. If your car is moving, the reflected waves come back slightly changed. Their wavelength shifts because of the Doppler effect. Step 3. Reception. The radar unit compares the waves it sent out with the waves it received back. If there's only a small difference, you're driving slowly. If there's a big difference, you're driving fast. The bigger the wavelength change, the faster the vehicle is moving. And if your speed is above the legal limit, the system triggers the camera. Click. Now it takes a photo of your car. And here's the interesting part. Inside a speed camera, there's more than just a lens. It contains a radar unit. A digital camera photographs speeding vehicles. A flash unit illuminates license plate for identification. A power supply and a control unit. Most fixed-speed cameras point at the back of vehicles. Why? So the flash doesn't distract or dazzle the driver. Smart and safer. That's how most fixed-speed cameras work. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more science stories. And let me know in the comments what you want me to explain next.